Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Biker360. Today we are going to know how to edit the 3D photos. So it's being on a trend in Instagram now, and everyone is doing it actually. Even I have done it. So let's see how we can edit the photos using that 3D photo app. That's also called as CapCut. It's not an Indian application, and it's actually banned in some countries. In our country also, so we need to use the VPN, and I'll tell you the best VPN app for this and the best server. So let's not delay, let's start it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Let's open Google Play Store and select VPN. Here there are lots of VPN apps. In these you need to select the Super VPN. Super VPN, okay. You don't get it fast actually. Okay, 1 minute. It was here actually. VPN, Super VPN. Super VPN. Okay, this is the app. I've already installed it. You need to install it and switch on the. See, this is the Super VPN app. After installing, you need to press OK to every pop-up message which comes to you, and you need to select the server. Here I am selecting Japan server, Tokyo 3, and I already connected it, so you need to switch. There are lots of ads in this app. So Japan, Tokyo 3, it will be connected. After this app has connected with the VPN server, you need to go to Google Chrome, and here you need to type CapCut APK, and here there are many websites to download, but you need to select the ViaMaker, ViaMaker, this website, and here you need to download the Aptoide application, which is like a Google Play Store. You don't find this app, the CapCut, in Google Play Store because it's already banned in India. So you need to download this app, Aptoide, and after downloading, I've already downloaded it, so I'll open this directly. And here you need to type CapCut and search. You need to download the first application, this one. So you need to select this and download. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just open it. And here, let's select new project and select some random photos. I'll select some. Okay, I'll be selecting this, add. After doing this, you need to crop this format and change it to 9:16. That is the official Reels wala size. So you need to zoom it, place it properly, then you need to select this. Select style. This option, the style option, doesn't come if you don't have the VPN. So I have already downloaded the VPN and connected it, so I'll get it. Put 3D zoom, and it will take some time to load to generate the photo, 3D photo. So it's taking some time now. You can select any number of photos and try this. It's a very great application actually. I don't know why. I know why India banned it, because it's a Chinese app. That is fine. We are not using it daily, and I think I have given revenue now. It's okay. But if you want to do it, karo. Risk hai to ishq hai. After it completely loads, you'll get it properly done here. And it has already decreased now. You need to increase the size and place it properly, and when you play it, you have this effect, 3D effect. So that's it. I'll do another pic and show you. Select this, style, 3D zoom. I don't know why they have kept that loading time that much. Might be because of some server errors, I think. Let's load. Okay, generate. I don't have patience actually to wait. But I need to control. After this, tick mark and do it like this. Zoom it. Then play it. This effect. So this is the effect you all are looking for. You need to crop this actually. Like reduce the timing. 0.5 seconds. This also to 0.5. Do it like this. You can do any number of you can include any number of photos. So guys, that was up for today's vlog, and I need a suggestion actually. I don't know which language to vlog now. English, Hindi, Telugu, Tulu, Kannada. There are 5 languages I can speak, but I need you guys to just comment down which language you guys need me to speak. I'll be trying that out. Like Tulu is a bit familiar to me. Like I can speak, but so I can manage. Kannada is fine. Kannada I can speak in any accent of Kannada if you want. So Bangalore Kannada, Mangalore, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, many Kannadas I know. So Hindi is actually a foreign alien language to me actually. Like when I speak in Hindi, it sounds like an Bihari guy speaking. So I don't want to. And I actually wanted to reveal my face, but it's lockdown and I have those hairs and those beards coming up. So I don't want to show that to you. So guys, that was up for today's vlog. Do comment down in which language you guys need me to vlog. That's all for today's vlog. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care, Khudafiz. Live your life, live your dreams. Boom.
Power ನಿನ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಸರ್ತಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇದೆ ಪುಡಿಂಗ್